Use the Schedule Send feature in the Gmail app interface to schedule emails to be sent at a later time. Here's how you can do it. Open the Gmail app. Compose a new email by tapping on the Compose button. Write your email content, including the recipient's email address, subject, and message. Once you've composed your email, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. Choose the option, Schedule Send. You'll see a list of predefined options for scheduling the email, such as tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. If you want to specify a custom date and time for sending the email, tap on Pick Date and Time. Choose your desired date. Select the time. For example, it's currently 12:48. I will choose 12:52 to demonstrate if the Schedule Send feature works properly. Tap on the Schedule Send button. If the email has been successfully sent, you can see it in your Sent folder. I will speed up the video. You can refresh the page to see if the email has been sent. Wait for the specified time to check if the email is sent. There it is. Email has been successfully sent. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe.